FDA investigates radioactive shrimp shipment bound for Walmart. August 19th to 20th, 2025. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has issued an urgent advisory against consuming certain frozen shrimp products sold under Walmart's Great Value brand. The action follows the detection of cesium-137, CS-137, a radioactive isotope, in shipping containers and a sample of shrimp processed in Indonesia. How was the contamination detected? Customs and Border Protection, CBP, initially detected elevated levels of CS-137 in shipping containers at 4 major U.S. ports: Los Angeles, Houston, Miami, and Savannah, Georgia. Subsequent radionuclide analysis by the FDA confirmed CS-137 in a sample of frozen breaded shrimp from PT Bahri Makmur Sejati, BMS Foods, an Indonesian supplier. Regulatory and retail response. The FDA issued an import alert, IA 99-51, on August 14, 2025, targeting BMS Foods for suspected chemical contamination and added the company to a red list that bars its shrimp from entering U.S. commerce. While the specific shipment that tested positive was denied entry, some shrimp from BMS Foods had already entered and were sold at Walmart. In response, the FDA advised Walmart to recall all implicated products, and Walmart quickly complied, issuing sales restrictions and removing affected items from stores. Which products are affected? Consumers should check their freezers for the following great value shrimp items and discard them immediately. Product: frozen raw easy peel Talon farm-raised white Vaname shrimp, 2 pounds bag. Distributor: Walmart. Lot codes: 8005540-1, 8005538-1, 8005539-1. Best by date: March 15th, 2027. States affected: AL, AR, FL, GA, KY, LA, MO, MS, OH, OK, PA, TX, WV. Health risks and safety context. The FDA noted that CS-137 levels in the detected shipment were approximately 68 becquerels per kilogram, well below its derived intervention level of 1,200 becquerels per kilogram. At this level, acute health effects are unlikely. However, the FDA expressed concern that continued low-level exposure over time could increase cancer risk due to DNA damage. The situation has raised broader food safety and public health concerns, particularly given the unsanitary conditions implicated in processing. What's next? The FDA and CBP continue to monitor for additional contamination and are collaborating with Indonesian seafood regulators to determine the source of the issue. Meanwhile, Walmart has reaffirmed its commitment to customer safety, stating that it is working with the supplier and has swiftly blocked impacted products from sale. Bottom line: the FDA is advising consumers to immediately dispose of any great value frozen shrimp matching the identified lot codes and best by date. While health risks from the detected CS-137 levels appear low, the possibility of long-term exposure raises cause for caution. As investigations continue, retailers and regulators are acting swiftly to prevent further contamination. For help or concerns related to symptoms possibly linked to exposure, consumers are encouraged to contact their healthcare provider.